We can't bother to come outside, you know. Yeah, come inside. Yeah, man, you're going to see me. Alright. Yes. Alright.
Yeah man. Yeah man, me good. You good?
Yeah, man. Yeah, me thinking about that come door.
So you think we sit man? Sure you good though?
Good, man.
You look nice though.
Thanks. You look good too.
So yeah, pray you know.
But just then you're going easy back.
I would want some beef.
Yeah. Me don't want one burger.
Burger. Can't take something else.
Like what out there, so.
Can't take a patty.
Alright, get one cheese.
Alright then.
Thanks. So, what?
There man. A easy box still in there, isn't me?
Dry patty.
Ah, true, this still.
You shouldn't buy juice, lad.
Why not now go on pan work still in a B? Isn't me? Thing low.
Alright.
That patty they look nice still.
Are you just back on me, man?
That's the place to eat man.
Oh yeah, look on the amount of me I put in my mouth.
Cool no be. We just like say it's me.
So you know what?
No sir.
You sure you don't want a knife like me?
I do man, it's me. I know some have to take pizza patty man. I have to ask man. Why I'm moving with the things and I don't suppose I want to eat. I want to eat. I don't want pizza patty.
Give me.
I'll grab pizza.
I want patty you buy without the juice. I imagine you want to.
Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, pray after yes.
Me home, because me thirsty, I want to go drink water. Yes.
Go up there early.
Me thirsty.
Every day is sweat, I come out to better, sweating more than you. It's sweat, I come out to sweater, wetter, sweating more than you. I come to wine and jam and I short to catch it more than you. Cause when I'm fetting, of course, I just do it like a boss. I'm fetting morning and evening. This is my home and not leaving. I can't get
My stop, so I really didn't enjoy myself, I'm not going to lie. You're very cheap. I don't think it's going to work still, I'm sorry. And yeah, this is my stop.
Me buy cheap, me I tell you say no, really I go and play work.
Anyways, I'm stopping here still, so yeah. No.
Must have been like where I'm going with though.
Let me go on.
All the campaign thing.
But we know so we have to campaign, like.
No, but I don't want to lose you. I can get shot like them, any of them other people do, you know.
You know, those me, man. You're not a start campaign until you vote, you know.
Nah vote, baby, nah vote.
If you vote, man.
Baby, you know. Very easy, baby, you know.
Yeah, for me.
Yeah, so.
How are the views?
What's going on?
How are? Tell me what now.
Love, I'm ready, love, yeah.
Yes, really. What you have for me? Aye! Stop, babes! It's not real.
Yes, it is.
I love you, don't tell! Oh, God! It not happen. It not real.
Real, man.
Oh, God! I love you, don't tell! You don't know so me love you, though, babes. Yeah, I'm sorry about all of me there. Doing all them things there.
No, they never made it, man. Just a woman stay on the Monday.
Yeah. I hope we change now.
Yeah, man.
So, babes, when are the date?
Soon, baby, soon.
Like one who we invite, how much people we will invite, so a big thing around.
No, say. Not want to go on for me still, but try a thing. Most can borrow some money and do a thing.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
God, Jesus.
Yeah, understand, my youth. Say, yo. See him up there, Joe. I'm gonna chat about it. I hate me that yard till I pay, my youth. I see you now big and serious, my youth. You are early in the morning, my youth. I go link you and I roll out, go look at that, dog. Tell you that broke life, my youth.
So me get that dog. It's a mad machine more boy half dog.
Yeah, not easy. What you mean, man?
Man.
No, I rolling dog and some kick back my out and a bounce music dog. Man, not easy, man.
So anyway, oh yeah, see you again.
You know what I say? And I will, alright, still no man, I don't know, it's a thing I plan to do, man. I don't know.
Thing that.
I know, man, like a wedding thing, man. I do with me and I, man.
So you sure about where you are the dog?
Yeah, man. Why not easy, my youth? I don't know. I settle down with her, man. My sister, she love me, like, me go away, you see me?
Me nah, so you not to do this thing about. Make sure I thing you do.
What I mean, my youth, I don't know. Save me, and I want that girl thing, man. I settle down with her, man. I don't know. Save more money for my youth. That me happy, you see me?
You think, man?
Yeah, man. So you think that? Yeah, man, youth.
I never talk about internet girls so dog.
My youth, internet girl, my youth.
Internet girl them man. Stop
Yeah, internet girl, dog talk
Sweet,
about
my youth.
Be internet girl chat about na may tinanok beta.
Internet girl, what?
Be
Then
internet girl
Facebook
dog.
girl awa.
Well, my youth, Facebook is
It's up, right?
just like, yeah.
Just like what? That we are talk about.
My youth, just cool, man.
Go school go man.
Sweet, my youth. No one thing, my youth.
Just tell me something. Oh, you date go dog?
What?
Why? Me tell you a story about that my youth. No laugh. I say my youth the girl is a con artist still in my youth.
Oh, yeah.
I say yo, that is thing about it in my youth. Then we go up on a date in my youth. And the girl tell me say she wants something to eat in my youth.
Then I get it.
Yeah man, me I say yo, a food we are talking about still you know.
Oh.
I will say yo, I take her to Juicy Beef my youth. See the Juicy Beef? She wanna go to KFC.
Yeah.
So me say KFC.
That girl, bro.
Me I say the girl say want 2 bucket of chicken in her mouth and some large fries in her.
Now stop. Someone's telling a lie here. For all you viewers watching this horror movie or sci-fi film, whatever the hell this is, did you actually see the things on your screen that this guy's talking about? Is he telling a lie here? But why? There's only one reason for his actions. My grandmother used to tell me that when the fox can't get the grape, they always say it's sour.
In her brother.
You got so.
You say the girl,
Then no, dog.
the girl can name me in my
You
youth.
no good sit that my youth.
No, mate, that the money we are talking can name me in my youth. Spend for him in my youth.
Oh.
Me a still, yo, me a say the girl start move away in the dog. Me a say John in my youth.
So you no left off nothing for you.
So that's not hope we go.
So you just a fatty up the next man.
I can't say that.
Oh, hey. What is it?
I said John won't start. Everything goes set
But
out
here
in
one,
my youth.
here one. Yeah, my brother name Captain in my youth. Man, in a part nothing in that.
So boss man paying then no,
Dog,
dog.
what's up on the man? Yo, and the man the one the rustic my youth. Man, they can, yo, the man they can't cut them
Yeah, man, boss man
The
paying.
man they no part nothing my youth.
I tell you the truth, I want somebody to deal with the girl if me in my youth. Cause be a styling thing, I mean, I say big girl is like me in my youth. I get, I say nothing a hope for the girl like that.
Me, man. I show it up. I make you go link Captain my youth. I'm one rustic, you know.
Oh yeah, I say. Now captain the attack, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
me a captain of big virgin, man.
Yeah, alright. You know I nothing more there.
So you say, what are you going to link it?
About 4:30 so. Cause in there I town there, the boat now. So I come in the morning, so I'm making sick clean.
Say a word.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Yeah.